Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be reviewing my first Haptic coin. Yeah, here it is. I think it's made out of stainless steel. Yeah, it's pretty good. At first, I didn't like it at all, but after an hour of playing with it, I fell in love with it. Yeah, I have about one more coin coming in, but I recently found out coins that Mackie and Loudy makes coins, so, and also AC EDC. So yeah, it's okay. I like it. But I recently found out that AC EDC and also Loudy, they make coins. I'm gonna be ordering those coins, reviewing them. There's like ratchet coins. There's ones that have a ratchet and a milk cap noise to them. So yeah, I'll be ordering those and reviewing those as well. But yeah, what's inside of this one? Let's check it out. I think it's like almost with all the coins. It's just, damn it, that's not good. All right, so there's a pivot magnet, two sides, and then a bearing in the middle. Basically, the way it goes, you put the pivot magnet in. Jesus, there we go. And then you put the bearing, and then the other top. And you play with it. Yeah, I love it. I just love playing with it. If you guys are wondering if this works without the bearing, try it out. And no, not at all. What about without the magnet in the middle? Let's try it. Actually, don't know. Haven't tried this before myself. Just thought about that. I mean, kind of works, but the sound is like very weird. I don't like it. There we go. Put the magnet back in. My God, stay in place. But yeah, so before, when I first got it, I played with it like this. But now I found ways I can do it myself. I just been spinning my thumb around it. And then also, I don't know if I invented this, but basically I just spin it, but it jumps like 2-3 magnets. And it kind of makes like a ratchet sound, but not really. So basically I just hold it down hard, then I push it hard. But yeah, overall, I like this. I'm going to be getting a lot more of these. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated on that. But yeah, let's see how loud it is. 74, 72. I mean, this is the distance would probably be between the coin and your ear. So yeah. Let's see if I just do this. Yeah, that's a bit louder. But yeah, about 80, 75. Yep, I give this a 10 out of 10. I love using it when I'm walking, also when I'm driving. But yeah, damn, it came out. Oh my God, I haven't dropped this one yet at all, so that's pretty surprising. From my previous videos, you guys can tell I drop everything. Gotta stop doing that. Be more careful. But yeah, I like this. Make sure you guys subscribe and then leave a like. See you in the next video.